Good morning, everyone. So, after completing a chapter in coursework, now we'll be doing one chapter in our grammar book. And which chapter is it? It is chapter number 12, word, order, and sentence. Fine. So now, what do you mean by a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that has some meaning in it. Fine. It is a group of words. It is a specific group of words that has some meaning in it that is meaningful. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. We all know this. Now? Now, the exercise that is there in our book is arrange the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. Remember to use capital letters and full stops. One has been done for you. So this thing you have to keep in mind, that a sentence is a group of words that is meaningful, that has some sense in it. Okay? A sentence always begins with a capital letter and a sentence always ends with a full stop. These three things you need to keep in mind. Now, am happy today I. Is it making any sense? No, it is not making any sense. Am happy today I. But if we rearrange the words, I am happy today. So this is meaningful. This is showing that I'm happy today. Today I'm happy. So a sentence is the rearrangement, is the group of words that has some meaning in it. Fine. The second example that is there is to tomorrow go I school will. Now it is not making any sense. It is not making any sense. How will you rearrange the words? I, and a sentence will always begin with a capital letter. I will go to school tomorrow. Now it is making sense. Now these words are making sense, and a sentence will always end with a full stop. Always remember that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Fine. Now this sentence, I will go to school tomorrow, it is making some sense. Now the third R. Today are parents at home my. Not making any sense. Rearrange. Like today my parents are at home, and a sentence will end with a full stop. Clear? Now the fourth one. We breakfast have at will 8 o'clock. Fine. So now it is not making any sense. We have to rearrange again. So the fourth part is W will be capital because it is the beginning of the sentence. We will have breakfast at 8 o'clock. And the sentence will end with a full stop. Fine. Children, I have solved 3 on the board. On the next page, the number 5 to number 10, you are going to solve it for yourself. Fine. Pushpanjali ma'am is going to provide you with the answer key. Okay, the answer key will be there with you. What you have to do is that you have to first solve this exercise by yourself. Solve it by yourself. Fine. Then verify your answers with the answer key that I am sending. It's really fun. If you solve these sentences now, if you try to rearrange these group of words and try to transform them into sentences, it is really wonderful. It is very interesting. But what you have to remember is that a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. This thing you have to remember. Rest, try to arrange them 5 to 10. You have to do it for yourself. Answer key ma'am is going to provide you. Attempt this exercise, then verify. Okay? We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, bye-bye.